Hello, geometry babies. I have had a lot of questions about the instructions for this one, which means it's really unclear, so I thought I would just record some quick instructions for you. Keep it short, I promise. So, first off, this is really small. To make it bigger, go to View, right here, and then zoom 100%. That makes it much more readable. You can zoom in further if you need to, okay? So on this page, on slide 1, are the problems, and on slide 2 is where you enter your answers. The question is in black. So for example, this question, I'm going to use yellow, is asking you what's the value for x, okay? So I'm going to have to go back up to the first slide and find where they have x. Okay, x is conveniently located at the top. Ideal. So then to solve x, I would do 2x plus 10 is equal to 60, because we know that an arc degree or arc measure is equal to the central angle. Okay, subtract 10 from both sides, divide by 2, x is going to be equal to 25. Okay, so I'm going to go back down to the next page on slide 2 and be like, I got 25. So in here, I double click and put a 2 and a 5, one for each digit. Okay, so this is asking me to solve for z. So of course I would go up to z. Where the heck is z? Z, z is conveniently located here. So I would set that equal and solve, and then one digit each. It's going to be a 2-digit number. One digit goes here, one digit goes here. Okay? Down here, if it has 3 boxes, chances are the answer is going to have 3 digits. Here, for example, it's asking me for DF. Although that's a single digit, let's take a look. Or we can look at MO. Let's go to MO, Mo, if you will. Here's Mo. It's asking us for the arc length of MO, and they have told us very nicely that Mo is a diameter. Sweet. That makes Mo pretty easy, because if it's a diameter, that means it's a straight angle, and the arc measure has to be 180. See? So after I have found the degrees and I've added them all up, I'm going to look in all the boxes. I'm going to be like, okay, in all of these boxes, how many 6s were there? Okay, 10 6s, whatever there was. Okay, 5s. Okay, I've got 1 5 here. No other 5s, so 1 5. So you're going to count up how many digits were in any of given boxes, okay? And then, once you've figured that out, it's going to ask you how many 2s were there, and you figure out the decoder on page 3. If there, let's say, just say there were, I don't know, 9 Qs. Brown, never mind. Let's say that there were 6 2s. If there's 6 of them, we make the box purple. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to click on my little Porry button, McDewey, and then I'm going to click on purple, and I'm done with that one. Okay? So these are the problems. Answers go here, 1 digit per box. Count how many of any given number are in the boxes to the left, and then use the decoder to figure out the number associated with the values you found here. Okay? So hope this helps, and have a great day.